Hey, what's up everybody? Nola Deej here, coming to you from the Fried Chicken Festival. So this is the second year that they've had the Fried Chicken Festival here in New Orleans. And it is so much bigger than it was last year. Ooh, better watch out for this streetcar coming for me. Yeah, last year it was in a much smaller area, so they decided to move it out here to Woldenberg Park, which is next to the Aquarium of the Americas and right along the riverfront here. And I think this was a good move.
Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to New Orleans, my man. We got this chicken fest going on. Me and my dog representing hard. He gonna take his eyeglasses off so you can know what it's all about. It's about seeing good food. Take them on one more time. Only in New Orleans, baby. Represent. It's all about seeing good food, baby. Y'all be cool.
So there's quite a few places out here selling different types of chicken themed meals. This one is a place called Frenchie's, and they have the sweet and tangy, and it's a big fried chicken breast on a bun with some tangy sauce and pickles. Here's another food truck here called Diva Dog, and they typically sell hot dogs, but it looks like today they've got the fried chicken etouffee fries along with chicken and drunk toast. Sounds pretty good. And it's Sunday, so Best Buy has a football fan zone out here with the New Orleans Saints game on, so everybody can watch the game while they enjoy the Fried Chicken Festival. Go figure. A couple of places here called Sweet Legacy and Lamar's Creole Wings. Fried chicken and beignets, chicken crackling, garlic fried chicken.
Whoa! Look at that beef and then some chicken.
There's so many places out here to find food. I don't even know where to start. All right, I've heard very good things about Fraser's Connection, so I'm going to give them a shot. All right, we got 2 pieces of fried chicken and a little cup of their special macaroni and cheese. I can't wait to taste this stuff. It looks good. All right, let's give some of this a try. Right here, man. This is where it's at. This is good stuff. Oh my God. All right. Try some of this macaroni and cheese. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, the macaroni and cheese is awesome. All right. Fraser's Connection, man. That's where it's at.
I was from Mardi Gras a couple years ago, and then we had a chicken festival.
You made that for Mardi Gras?
Originally, yeah. But it, you know, chicken festival.
I think it's perfect for the chicken festival. Look at this line of people. And they're all lined up for one of the vendors that's here. Called Willie Mays Scotch House. And it is the most famous chicken place in New Orleans. If you've never heard of Willie Mays, the next time you come to New Orleans, you definitely need to come to Willie Mays. I mean, seriously, look at this line. Look at this line of people. This is nuts.
Are y'all in line for Willie Mays? Yes. What's so special about Willie Mays? Well, you read about it, how every year you read in a lanyard section how it's the best fried chicken in the city. So we've never eaten in a restaurant. Well, might as well wait in line at the Fried Chicken Festival.
All right, this is Rue Bistro, and they have a fried chicken muffaletta and a fried chicken praline. What is that?
It's a fried chicken muffaletta. Oh my God. So it's it's really good. So it's got the olive salad on the bottom, got the ham, the provolone, and then the crispy chicken thighs.
All right, it's time to eat this fried chicken praline. Like little pieces of chicken in there. It's definitely different, but I like it.
Yo, man, this thing you about to see is positive in New Orleans. This brother filmed and he understands what is right in New Orleans. So I'm gonna do a spoken word for everybody to understand. Uniqueness of a man who really knows the truth. Yes, they do have struggling in New Orleans, but he's looking at the positive move. And that's what we all gotta focus on doing. And that's what we need to do. When we watch his performance of life, how he shows the uniqueness of a Katrina victim growing up with real life. How he shows buildings were supposed to be gone away from this earth, but then he showed how they build it back up. Man, that is a positive word. How he shows men and women were supposed to be dead on the street, how they are rising, how they are speaking so freedom, that's all you can see. How is he showing beauty and not ugliness of life today? Regardless what color you are, he understands the mind thinks the right way, so I'm gonna film you today. As he filmed, I can understand this brother got a real heart, my man. So look at him, and please, I beg you, please, give him another chance as he films.
Wow, that guy, man, it literally brought tears to my eyes. That's pretty amazing. The people of this city are strong and awesome. If you ever visit here, you'll see that. I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little lanyap from this Houdat. I go past a good time.